Hey everybody, Yeti Trades here. Reviewing two trades I took today. First one was RCAT, Red Cat Holdings. This one had news pre-market on it's pairing up with something to do with drones. That didn't really matter. Just had news about drones, and sometimes those take off and sometimes they don't. So got in at 129 on the drone news, and my risk was 122, so pretty small risk, I think, 7 cents. Ended up selling up here at 139. I had a limit order in for 142, and right here it hit 141, and you can see all this volume came in. It didn't continue to push, and then we pulled back to this really low volume down here. We started stepping up a little bit, and I ended up selling for 139, and then of course right after it popped, and then I think it ran maybe a little high. Nope, that was high a day. So I had some opportunities to hit it, but you know, very low volume on the day, so I'm just glad to be out of it. And then ONCS had news yesterday on something, I don't know, probably FDA news, I don't remember. But this was my game plan, to enter it above my anchored VWAP, this yellow line here, if it was holding, and it was. So we had a lower low down here, higher low, higher low, higher low. I did anticipate there being a little bit of a sell-off and a bounce, a little dip and rip. But just in case it rocketed right off the top at open, I went ahead and entered, got in at 229. My risk was, no, I'm sorry. I got in, yeah, at 229, and my risk was this lower here. So we broke this level here. I was going to cut it, and we got close. But then we ripped up here. What I was looking for was a halt. There was so much volume pre-market. I was looking for it to just kind of rip up, go into a halt, and then maybe do another leg up, another leg up. But we never got there. It never halted today. And this arrow should actually be on this candle. So I exited on this second candle here because we were dropping off pretty drastically on volume, and I'm glad I did. Yes, I missed selling off up here in the 260s, but it wicked up and back out of there so quick it would have been hard to capture, and I'd rather just take safe profits instead of risking a bigger drop, which eventually happened. And I don't think it came back at all. No, it did not. So, good safe trade. Get in, action didn't look right, volume was dropping off. It was a good play to get out. Anyway, that's what I got, guys. Thanks.